So loud and faint while it has too many floors.
Well, I feel like it's gonna be so loud.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Dude. Alright guys, so earlier this morning I tried to crank up my car and it made this weird noise. It threw a wrench and my throttle body I think is having an issue or something like that. Let's see if it do it again. It's doing something so weird. Alright guys, I don't really know where I left off. Okay, hold on. A little distracted because I was trying to figure out what's wrong with my car, but ended up being this throttle body. So I just got a new one from O'Reilly's and we gonna put this on and we gonna see to just fix the issue. And alright guys, so jumping into this install, it's a very simple install. It doesn't take long at all. You can do this within like 30 minutes for real. It's really 4 screws on the throttle body and the connection cord. We're just gonna remove that. And the air intake is very simple as well. It's just 2 hoses and 2 of the holding clamps on it to remove it. And also don't forget to replace your old gasket with your new gasket that comes in with the throttle body. Honestly, this was one of the easiest things I've installed on this car. But yeah, here it is. Alright guys, so picking back up the camera is a little bit later in the evening and I'm about to get ready to wash the car because it is so nasty. I probably haven't washed my car in about, I'm gonna say 3 weeks. But yeah, but before we wash it, I did get something else that came in the mail for the car that came in a few weeks ago. I'm gonna show y'all that real quick and get y'all on this tripod. I also did get some more paint that came in for the car. I'm not gonna take it fully out. I don't know if I want, you know what? At first I wanted to keep it a mystery, but I think I'm not. I think I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So we're gonna be painting the brakes a purple color, as you can see right there. It's gonna be that color. Alright guys, so wrapping up this video, I need to be completely honest with y'all real quick. A lot of the stuff that you guys see me do on this channel is, you know, a lot of them is my first time doing it. I'm not like a specialist in none of this stuff. Everything that you see on that car, 90% of the stuff that you see on the car I did myself, other than like painting it. Everything else I pretty much did myself. But yeah, I just want to put that out in the air. I'm not trying to be like a perfectionist or like I know exactly what I'm doing and every single thing that I'm doing, because I don't. I'm still learning everything as well. But I don't really know how this video going to end. I'm trying to incorporate more of my personality because I still be getting like camera shy on camera, and I've been doing this for a little minute as of now. But anyways though, as you can see, we have repaired, I've actually fixed a few things on the car. One of them being this light. I've actually fixed this light on this car. Let me show y'all. I actually got this light back plugged up. It was tucked up in there because when they repaired my bumper, they did not pull it back down so that I could untuck it, so I had to sort of take the bumper off a little bit to get the plug back on. But what else? Did at my driver's side one, it doesn't work or whatever, so I gotta actually get a new set of side markers, which I'm probably gonna get off of eBay or Amazon, because the new throttle body works good. It hasn't given me no issues. That was exactly what was wrong with my car. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.